Internet, I'm Scott, and this is PLUGHITZ Live Unboxed. Today, we are taking a look at the Elgato Prompter. This is a teleprompter product with a built-in display designed for content creators, social media creators, people like myself. Here in our studio, you can mount a camera behind it, shoot through the prompter. The viewers will never see the text, and you can look directly down the center into the camera and see what's going on. Pretty cool product, obviously designed for creators. Let's take a look at everything that comes in the box. All right. First thing off the top, we have a small box. Let's see what comes in the small box. We will start with a user manual in a couple of different languages. This has information on how the prompter works, how to mount a camera into it. If you're using a webcam, do this. If you're using a DSLR, do this. How to install the shades and things like that. Back ring plate. So this will get you going. Also software on how to use it. As again, this is a full display, which is nice. Here we have a USB cable according to the label on the box. Said USB cable or box has two items in it. One, we have a small extra book. Here we have a USB-A to a 90-degree USB-C. So the importance of that is it takes a lot of the weight off the USB port and keeps from breaking the actual device. I wish more companies would include those. This is all about power for the device. Here we have universal shroud backplate, DSLR backplate. So these are the pieces to help keep behind the device darkened out so that you don't get reflection from inside, things like that, screw up the lens. Essentially, we're using the stage concept of light on one side so you can see through and dark on the other in order to make this work, which is pretty cool. Here we have a series of step-up rings designed to help you get your lens just right into the camera, or from the camera onto the device, so that you get as little light as possible. Ideally, you will have zero to get your best video. We'll get rid of that box. All right. We have top packing material, but something came out with it. All right. And here we have the product itself. All right, so we'll start with the product. There's a sticker here on the back. We will undo the sticker. Take this packing shroud off. All right, and here we have the device. So you can see there is a screen here. This screen is reflected by the mirror here, which currently you can't see as a mirror. But this will mirror, and it's at a 45-degree angle. So when you're looking at it like this, you're looking down the lens. You can see my finger. You're looking down the lens, but you're able to read the prompter. On the back, there's a bunch of mounting capabilities. Here we have mount camera here. Perfect. All right, so what you're going to do is this piece gets mounted onto the back. There we go. This gets mounted on here. Depending on your camera, you'll want to adjust this up and down. Nope. like this. So we will attach this to the back here. You will put your camera on here, right? You'll mount it onto this piece here. You'll slide it up and down, slide the base plate up and down, slide the mount back and forward till your lens is right in that hole. And then we will use these mounts to put our shroud over top so that this is entirely dark. You won't have any light coming from this side, so that the mirror will be a fully one-way mirror and you'll be able to look right down the lens. Pretty cool device. Obviously, we have not plugged this in and tested it yet. We will be doing full tests here in our studio to see how it works. Once the review is finished, we will publish it at PLUGHITZlive.com/reviews. There you'll be able to see this and a number of other reviews as well. If you want to see other unboxing videos for products like this, for content creators, for home use, fitness watches, and a whole bunch more, you can go to unboxed.live or go to our YouTube channel at PLUGHITZlive. We've got how-to videos on how to use some of the products that are harder to use as well. Those are available at the YouTube channel or at the website. And until next time, ciao.